Welcome to Seastrand Condo at 15 Pasir Ris Link, with just a 10 minutes walk from Pasir Ris Beach, downtown East, and international schools nearby. This condo boasts a range of amenities, such as a gym, jacuzzi, steam room, playground, tennis court, and a barbecue pit. But what sets it apart is the inclusion of 8 swimming pools at level 1 and level 3, including the gym pool. Perfect for workout recovery sessions, and you'll never have to worry about crowded spaces. Join me as we explore this beautifully renovated 592 square feet, 1-bedroom apartment. This apartment has undergone a complete transformation, featuring built-in carpentry providing ample storage from floor to ceiling. Step out onto the balcony with the fully automated zip blinds for a breathtaking view of the pool. The bedroom walls have been removed and a panel door installed, creating a more spacious and versatile living area. With a Murphy bed seamlessly integrated into the design, you'll experience a blend of functionality and modernity. Not to be overlooked is the spacious bathroom, offering a relaxing retreat after a long day. The shower area mimics a small bathtub, allowing you to soak your feet and unwind in comfort. And the icing on the cake, a complimentary shuttle service to Pasir Ris MRT, providing convenience right at your doorstep.